Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to personalize this royal baby shower invitation. First you're going to start with right clicking, copy image. Next thing you're going to do is bring up a Word document. Start here, go to Word, select new, and then what I like to do is go up to page layout, margins, and I like to go with narrow. You see the cursor's way up in the corner. So then I'll do a copy or a Control V to paste. And here's the invitation. Now it's quite big on the page, so what we're going to do is click and shrink it. When you get the double arrows, you'll get a little arrow. Let's bring it down a little bit. Then you have the full document. Alright, so what we're going to do is add some text to personalize the invitation. Go ahead and go up to Insert, tab, go all the way over to text box. You're going to draw a text box. Okay, so we'll go here where we're going to put the name in. You'll see it's covering up part of the invitation. So to get rid of that big white box, you go up to Shape Fill, No Fill, Shape Outline, No Outline. You can see it's clear now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the font Blessed Day. So we'll go up to Home, and I will scroll to the font that I want, Blessed Day, which you can download from fontspace.com. There will be a link on the website on my blog to access that right away. So I'll select this. The other thing I'm going to do is change the size to 72. Oops. Come back here, and I want to put this, it's on one side right now, the cursor, so I'm gonna go up to the top here again and center. Come back down, and we'll just put in a name. Alright, so right now it's in black. You can change that color. I think a light gray will be nice. So it's kind of transparent. And that is how you can put the name there. If you want to change the how big it is, you certainly can do that. Going back up to the top, if you want to make it 65. Just so it's a little smaller. That changes the font. If you want to play around with where it's placed, once you have the double arrows, you just can move it. Oh. Control Z. There we go. You can just move it around and just center it better so it's not covering up the honoring so much. And then in these boxes down below, you'll do the same thing. You'll put the name, the date and time of the shower. In here I put the address, and then down here you'll put the RSVP information. So one last thing I wanted to show you, you'll do the same steps that we did before, going to the Insert, going over to Select, Text Box, Draw Text Box. I'm going to just put in right here, I'm going to draw a little text box here. Again, we'll do Shape Fill, No Fill, Shape Outline, No Outline. And this one is set to, going back to home, set to 11 again, which I think works great for this one that we're doing. This font that I'm using is also linked on my blog. So we're gonna put in here the day Saturday. And again, you can play around with the style font. And we're just gonna do it sideways and move it so it's right here. And then you can put the date the regular way, but just for a little variety on this, we'll just put in some different stuff in here, so that this just gives you an idea of just different things you can do to play around. I would go on FontSpace and just kind of look at the different fonts that are available, download some, and then just have fun putting the information that you need in here. And when you're ready to print, you'll want to make it smaller. So this is a full page of 8.5 by 11. So you can copy it, click it, Control C, and then shrink it down. Go to page layout. This is once you're finished doing all the stuff you want to do and you've saved everything, you'll go to page layout and select orientation, and I would go put it at landscape so that you can fit 2 invitations on the page. And then when you shrink this one down, you'll be able to have the 2 of them together. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it was helpful for you.